Hey, Jimmy here. Welcome back to another YouTube video. I wanted to just come on here and kind of show you what really goes on around here. We're in my recording studio at the moment. About to make a video. We're making a video right now, I guess. But either way, we're here. Welcome to my humble abode. Welcome to my happy place. In front of my MacBook Pro. I'm running Logic, and I'm going to have VoiceOver running through so you guys can hear what's happening. I'm going to open Logic, so I'm going to Command-Shift-A.
Applications, now in Applications window, icon.
We're in the Applications, I'm going to first letter navigate.
Launchpad application. Logic Pro application.
Logic Pro.
You are open.
Command-O to open her up. And now we wait till it opens. I better plug in my interface because it's going to start seeing. The last selected audio interface is not available. We know. I'm turning my amp on here. That's where I have all my speakers routed to. I guess it would help if I turned on the sub power, wouldn't it? There we go. That's better. Yay.
Icon view collection 1 item selected. Logic Pro image.
But it's supposed to be opening. That's what I set it to do.
Vertical splitter. Icon view collection 1 item selected. Logic Pro application.
Sorry.
You are open dialog.
Oh, here we
Busy.
go.
Logic Pro has new window. You are text, column for text. Falling up Logic group 3 of music. Jimmy Lewis group. Cancel button. Open. Dint button. Column view browse. Vertical splitter. Sidebar. Search. New full group. Forward. Back button. You are currently. Press back button. Forward. Group. New music. Search text field. Sidebar. Vertical. Column view. Can't open. Dint. Cancel button. You are currently on a text element. Image track. Dialog. Software instrument. Selected. Radio.
Okay, so it takes you to this window. And it creates a new project and it gives you let's see.
The last selected audio interface is not available. The previously selected interface built. OK. Default. Number of tracks. You are currently on a text field. Number of tracks. You are currently on a software instrument. Software instrument selected.
Okay, so we're in Logic. We've opened the new project. It automatically opens a new one. Well, no. It automatically takes you to open a new project, and then there's all kinds of songwriter templates and whatnot. We're not going to get into that. If you want that, I'll do another video on it. But this is going to be how I kind of start my sessions off. So we have software instrument.
Software instrument selected. Radio button. 1 of 6.
It's selected. I'm going to use my arrow keys, my VO keys, voiceover keys. Control and option to navigate. So control option, and then my arrows to navigate.
Audio, radio button, 2 of 6.
Audio for your microphones. If you're gonna mic an acoustic guitar, or drum up, or your vocal, whatever.
Drummer, radio button, 3.
Drummer. Now this is really cool. I really dig this. I'm gonna hit VO space to select it.
Selected. Drummer, radio button, 3 of 6.
Okay. Now I'm gonna go all the way to the end.
Create default button.
To create the track.
You are currently on the button. To click this button, press Control Option Space. Logic Pro busy.
It's busy.
Autoplay drummer group. Closing.
Okay, here.
Tracks group. Autoplay drummer. Tracks group. Inspector group. Control bar. Toolbar.
All right. Okay, so let's recap. We opened Logic, and we created a drummer track. And this is going to be the base of the song. Now, I'm going to go in here.
Tracks. Autoplay drummer group.
Autoplay drummer.
Drummer editor. Scroll area. In drummer editor. Scroll area.
Interact with
7 items.
that.
Play button. Click play button.
There's a play button. I don't know what the levels are set for this app. So I'm just going to assume they're all the way up. We don't need that right at the moment. So
4 beats, 4 divisions, 87 ticks.
Okay.
2 bars, 4 beats, 4 divisions, 100
Alright,
ticks.
hold on. My audio interface isn't hooked in. Sorry.
Change number of MIDI inputs/outputs. Now 0 inputs and 0 outputs are available.
Hopefully this works out. Give it a minute to log in here.
Change number of MIDI inputs/outputs. Now 1 input and 1 output are available. Auto select play button. Play 1 or more. 1 bar, 1 beat, 1 division, 1 tick.
Let's try this.
4 beats, 4 divisions, 7 ticks. Voiceover muted.
Here we go. Now as you can hear, we have a drummer. Sorry. Now as you can hear, we have a drummer going. I don't want to stop that. Now I'm going to show you something here in a minute. I'm going to unmute voiceover. Oh, come on.
Voiceover unmuted.
There it is. Okay. I'm going to turn the loop on.
Loop on.
Now I'm going to go edit this to where I want it to be. You can change the tempo and everything else. We're not going to do that just yet. We're going to just edit it.
X fills in swing. Drum. X/Y pad layout area. In X/Y pad layout area. X/Y pad layout item. 1 bar, 1 beat, 1 division, 1 4 beats, 4 divisions, 7 ticks. Loop off. You are currently on layout item inside of layout area. Loop on.
Loop is on. So I'm going to go in here.
Voiceover muted.
I'm muting voiceover. I'm in the where I mess with the levels. So now I can go in here and just use arrows, and you can hear for yourself. It's quiet. I turn it back up. It's a big rocking out thing. Okay, we don't want that though. I'm gonna bring it back down. Just something. Now, it's simple. Now, there's fills in this. And I'm gonna go change that here in a minute, but let's get out of this. Okay, we created a drummer track. We did a little bit of drummer editing to make the drums sound like what we want. I'm gonna unmute voiceover.
Voiceover unmuted.
I kind of know what I'm doing here, so I generally I'll mute voiceover, and I will just do this stuff myself. I won't even have voiceover going, but for this video, you need it because you can't hear what's happening.
Drum instrument and fills in swing group.
And you can hear what's happening. You can't see the screen. I'm sorry. You can't see what's happening.
35% in circular slider. Out of circular slider.
Okay.
Fills lock, unchecked, check, fills lock, unchecked, out of fill, drum instrument and variations group. In drum instrument, percussion sounds group. You are currently on a group. In percussion, shaker, unchecked, checkbox, tambourine, unchecked, checkbox, check tambourine, checkbox, out of percussion set, 1 out of 3 in slider. Out of slider, out of drum instrument and variations group. You are currently on a voiceover muted.
Alright, so I added a tambourine and I turned off the fills. Let's see what it sounds like now. Alright, we're grooving. We're grooving now. I mean, there you go. You have a beat. Now, there's a control bar here.
Voiceover unmuted. In control bar, toolbar.
I'm gonna go
24 in editor group forward step front rec cycle. Control bar group. In control bar group.
Control bar.
17 110 tempo slider.
Now I'm gonna go to the slider.
Voiceover muted.
Now I can go 120, 130, 40, 50, 60. Around 160 beats per minute. 180, 70, 80, 90, 200. We're at 200 beats per minute. Okay, you don't want to hear none of that. 190, 180, 170, 160, 150, 140, 130, 120, 110. 190, 80. Now I'm going to go in here, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. Now here's the new tempo. We're grooving. We're rocking out here. what I'm trying to say here is that's how quickly you can make a beat and customize it to do whatever you want it to. Okay.
Voiceover unmuted.
Nick should be coming in here anytime.
C major. Key project tab pop-up menu. C major. Key signature pop-up button. Key signature display. Menu 30 items checkmark. C major. C music flat sign major. B minor. B music flat sign minor. A music sharp sign minor. A minor. A music flat sign minor. G music sharp sign minor. G minor. F music sharp sign F minor. E minor. E music flat sign minor. D music sharp sign D minor. C music sharp sign minor. C minor. C minor. C minor. C D D E E F F G G B, C music flat sign major. Check. C D music flat sign D major. E music flat sign E major. F major. F music G music flat G major. A music flat sign major. A major. You are currently on a menu item. To press a major. A major. Key signature pop-up button. Project tab pop-up menu. A major. Beats and project. Display. A major. Project 4/85.
No,
Tab, slider,
man.
Out.
I've changed the key to A major. I'm gonna do Command Option in.
A new track. Dialog. Create. Default button.
No, I'm making
currently
a
on the
new
button.
track. We're gonna make a software instrument now.
Software instrument. Radio button. 1 of 6. 1. Content selected. Edit text. Create.
Create.
Default button. You are currently on the button. To click this button,
That's
press
gonna
Control
take a
Option
minute to
space.
load up.
Group. Closing dialog.
All right, now
You
we're
are
doing.
currently on a toolbar. Library. Group. In library. Group. 7 items. Horizontal splitter. Search set. Library. In library. Browser.
Okay, we're in the library, and there's endless. There's over 1,000 sounds in here. I'm not gonna go over all of them because we would be here for. This video would be so long I run out of gigabytes on my SD card. So we'd be here for hours. We're gonna go. I'm going to here just to layer a few.
Bass.
Bass.
Patch category.
All right, you're just gonna hear this. This is gonna do the talking. It's going in order down the list.
Drum kit. Electronic drum kit. Guitar. Keyboards. Mallet. Orchestral. Percussion. Piano. Quick sampler. Studio horns. Studio strings. Synthesizer. Vintage B3 organ. Patch
This is what I
category.
want.
Choose a category to reveal patches. You are currently on bebop organ.
Shift right there. So I'm using my VO and arrow keys to navigate this library. I found the organ. That's what I want. Now I use the VO right to go into that. So now I can choose different organs. We're looking for classic rock.
Blitz piano. Patch. Load to the selected channel strip. You can start playing it immediately. You are currently on a Tactile fixer up organ. Patch. Load to the selected classic rock organ.
Okay, there it
Patch.
is.
Load to the selected
Alright, now I'm going to turn musical typing on so you guys can hear what's happening.
musical typing. Classic rock organ.
Alright, here we go. Let's see. Okay, I don't want classic rock. I'm gonna.
Button. You are column view radio button.
Whoops, hold on. I gotta turn off musical typing. So, when you're in musical typing, you can use your computer keyboard to type. And, now you can.
Fixer up organ. Grand organ. Patch. Look.
Command K.
Musical typing. Grand organ. Dialog.
Now I'm here. Alright, so let's get our drum beat going here.
4 beats 122 ticks.
Alright, let's mess with this. Let's see. Whoops, okay.
26 ticks.
All right, so now you can see here why I like this. And I'm gonna let the drum beat go for a bar. So you're gonna hear.
9 bars, 3 beats, 4 divisions. 10 bars, 1 beat,
Hold
2
on,
divisions, 18 ticks.
maybe
1 bar, 1 beat, 1 division, 1 tick. Voiceover muted.
beat that. So it's gonna. Here's what you're gonna hear. That's what you're gonna hear pretty much. So let's go ahead. Let's play something down and see how it sounds and see if we can kind of quantize it and make it sound right. All right. All right. Here we go. So I'm gonna hit. I'm going to go first. Unmute voiceover because I have to be able to hear. Oh come on! It's gonna unmute. Sorry. It's taking me a minute.
Voiceover unmuted.
There it is. I'm gonna turn musical typing off because I gotta get out. Well, no, I don't. Yes, I do. Command K. Turn musical typing off.
Out of library.
Out of the library.
Tracks group.
Go to the
In tracks
tracks.
group. Tracks group. Tracks group. In tracks group.
Interact.
Tracks time. Tracks header group. In
Tracks
tracks header.
header.
Track 2. Grand organ group. In track 2. 0 pan. Circular. Plus 0.0. Record enable. Checkbox.
It's record
Record enable
enable.
button. Solo. Unchecked. Check. Record enable. Plus 0.0 dB. Out of track 2. Grand organ group. Track header. Out.
I'm gonna command K.
Musical typing. Grand organ. Dot.
Now we can go in here and put delays on this. We can do all kinds of stuff with this or classic organ that we have selected. But I don't want to do that. I just want to get a beat going.
7 bars, 3 beats, 1 division, 45 ticks. 8 bars, 1 beat, 2, 1 bar, 1 beat, 1 division, 1 tick.
All right, here we go. We're gonna record this organ. All right. Making sure I'm slow. There we go. All right, we're gonna record. Here we go. Three, four.
Seven bars, 4 beats, 1 division, 1 bar, 1 beat, 1 division, 1 tick.
All right, let's listen back. Just gonna turn voiceover down.
1 bar, 1 beat, 1 division, 1 tick. 4 beats, 4 division, 122 ticks.
It was just playing back the organ sound we just recorded. Here we go. This may not be bad after what Hey,
We're about to have an intruder drill.
just the drill, right?
10 bars, 3 beats, 2 division, 203 ticks.
Wait.
Like in 5 minutes.
Okay. All right, guys, I gotta end the video. We're having an intruder drill, so I'll see you later. Peace.